down a blinking beaker puppet. So he blinks his eyes like so, and he waves and he scratches his nose and he takes a bow and he thinks and he blinks. And he blinks a lot. Maybe he has an eye problem, but blinking really is what he's very good at doing. This is what you're going to do. Hey everybody, well, I'm here at Fort Calgary. I am the Fort Calgary Rabbit, and we are going to be recording some amazing puppets soon. We are going to be looking at the Beakers that we've been creating here, and it's going to be amazing to see what they say, because they've been learning all sorts of amazing facts. So I'm looking forward to it, and I hope you are too.
My name is Rupert, and I'm here to say we're learning about science at Fort Calgary today. My science fact is, did you know Fort Calgary is built at the confluence of the Bow and Elbow River? Confluence is our word of the day. It means where two rivers meet. Thank you.
Did you know that dolphins have big parties? More than 1,000 dolphins hang out together.
Wow, that's a lot of dolphins. Did you know that there's 2,000 dolphins?
Did you know dolphins can hear 10 times the range of humans?
Did you know that dolphins teach each other to use tools?
If the Earth was smooth, a 1.5-mile deep ocean would cover the world.
Did you know, going as fast as the Earth, you could reach the moon in 3.5 hours?
Hiya! My name is Mrs. Feathercap. Did you know that trees breathe out what we breathe in?
Although Canada is very big, a very big country, did you know that it covers only 2% of the Earth's surface?
The Stanley Cup has its own bodyguard. Well, that doesn't mean Canadian hockey champions haven't put all kinds of different foods and drinks in it. Everything from chocolate milk to popcorn and cereal.
So, good afternoon, everybody. You all know that E equals MC squared, but did you know that there are over 2,240 suction cups on a Pacific giant octopus? Thank you.
Canada's official languages may be French and English, but our geese have their own language. Scientists believe that Canada geese have as many as 13 different calls for everything from greetings and warnings to happiness.
If you know that groundhog's pedals is a snake, did you know that there was more stars than a billion stars in the sky? Hello. Did you know that my dog has 5 eyes?
My goose dared disturb Darth Vader.
Hey there. My name is Insect. I am a pirate parrot. Yes, I am indeed.
So, Vincent, you're a pirate parrot. I've never heard of that. But why are you here?
I am here for some retirement counseling.
Retirement counseling. That's this is Beakerhead.
Yes, and I want to say that when I grow up and I finish traveling the seas, I'm going to be a pencil holder.
That's a good retirement option. And where will that be?
Let me tell you, boys and girls, I'm going to be at the Cumberland Pencil Museum in Keswick, England.
It's very interesting. And I hear they have very good kidney pie there. Good for pirates.
Arr!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.